Dear NTR TV viewers, we wish everyone a good time from NTR TV screens. Today, we are on NTR TV screens again with the recipe for stuffed zucchini from North African dishes. We are with you again. First, let's give the list of ingredients and their quantities. Then, let's explain how to make our stuffed zucchini recipe. A list of ingredients amount: minced lamb, sliced ones, 250 gram, scallion, 4 units, pumpkin, 4 pieces medium size, tomato paste, 1/4 tablespoon, parsley, 1 bunch, salt, turmeric, 7 kinds of spices mixed chili flakes, coriander, 1 bunch, egg, 1 piece, oil, 100 ml, tomato, 2 pieces, water, 1 cup, tomato juice, 1 cup. Preparation: parsley, coriander, green onions and tomatoes are finely chopped and added to the minced meat. Add 1/4 tablespoon of tomato paste and 1 raw egg to the mixture. It is seasoned with spices and kneaded well. Pumpkins are carved and the mixture is filled inside. It is placed in a deep pot. The mixture obtained by opening tomato juice or 1 tablespoon of tomato paste in 1 glass of water is poured on it. It's served by adding oil and optional spices and cooking for about 40 minutes on medium heat. We have prepared a delicious dessert recipe for you. We present to you. Let's first give the list of ingredients and the amount. Then let's get into the preparation. Macroud Tunis. For dough, semolina 1 kg, flour 250 gram, dates 250 gram, cold removed, cloves or 10 gram of dry orange peel, olive oil 250 ml, pinch of salt, a pinch of sesame seed, oil 1/4 liter. For the serum, granulated sugar 1 kg, water 1/4 liter, lemon 1/4 piece. Preparation: 1 kg, 1/4 liter of water is added to the granulated sugar. After boiling for about 15 minutes, the juice of 1/4 liter lemon is added, and after about 10 minutes of boiling, it is taken from the stove. Pastry: semolina and flour are taken in a bowl. Slightly heated oil is poured over it. A pinch of salt is added. It is added and kneaded until it reaches the consistency of the allop. It is left to rest for about 30 minutes. Mortar: the pitted dates are crushed. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, cloves or dried orange peel powder and knead. Preparation: the dough is rolled out to a thickness of about 1 centimeter. Mortar is added on it and it is folded approximately 3 cm wide once. The folded dough is cut and the edge of the cut side is folded so that it does not open while frying. The folded dough is cut and the edge of the cut side is folded so that it does not open while frying. It is given a flat shape by pressing lightly on it. The resulting product is cut into 3 cm rectangles. In a saucepan, heat the olive oil. The cut pieces are fried in hot oil for 5 to 7 minutes until their color changes. The serum is reheated and the products extracted from the oil are added to the serum and left for 10 minutes. It is served by sprinkling sesame seeds on the product extracted from sherbet. We have compiled a Libyan couscous recipe for you from NTR TV screens. First, we will give you the ingredients and list quantity. Then, we will explain the stages of preparation. A list of ingredients and quantity. Large diced lamb meat, 1.25 kg. Garbanzo beans, chickpeas, pre-soak, 2 cups couscous, 1 kg tomato paste, 3 tablespoons onion large, 5 pieces, salt, turmeric, allspice, chili, pepper, add enough, potatoes 5 pieces, oil 1 cup. Preparation: couscous is taken in a bowl. Add a large spoonful of salt, 1¾ cup of oil and 1/4 cup of water at room temperature to the couscous, all mixed until a homogeneous mixture is obtained. Couscous settles in the upper part of the steamer. Water is put in the lower part and taken to the stove. It will be ready in about 20 to 30 minutes. In another pot, put quarter onion cut into long thin stripes. Onions are sauteed in vegetable oil. Then the lamb meat is added. Add 2 large spoons of tomato paste, a tablespoon of salt and other spices. Then boiling water is added to cover the meat and it is left to cook on medium heat. Put the rest of the vegetable oil in another bowl. Add garbanzo beans, chickpeas and 5 chopped onions, a teaspoon of tomato paste, 4/4 tablespoon of salt and other spices are added to the mixture and left to cook on low heat. A little water can be added after roasting. After about 30 minutes, some 1 to 2 medium-sized scoops of onion mixture is added to the mixture with meat. 30 minutes after this time, the sauce of the heat mixture is poured over the couscous until it turns red, not all poured. Then, it is taken back to the stove and 5 peeled potatoes are cut in half and added to the mixture. The mixture is boiled until it thickens. After 1 hour, the couscous is taken to the serving plate. A little more of the meat mixture is added to the sauce. Then, the lamb is sliced and put on the couscous. Chickpeas, onion mixture is sprinkled on top and allspice is served on top. We will give you the recipe for fish with camola sauce, one of the North African dishes. If you wish, let's give the ingredients and their quantities first. Then, let's get into the preparation. A list of ingredients quantity: coriander leaf 15 pieces, white meat fish 1 piece, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, green olive 2 cups, garlic crushed, tomato 750 grams, powdered red pepper 2 teaspoons, onion 1 piece, olive oil 6 tablespoons, chopped parsley 4 tablespoons, lemon juice 3 tablespoons, salt 1/4 teaspoon. Preparation: mix the garlic, onion, coriander, cumin, red pepper, olive oil, lemon juice and salt in a large bowl. Then, the fish is thoroughly laid in the sauce, and after it is covered with sauce, it is covered with foil. It is rested for 2 hours to marinate. The oven is heated to 220 degrees. The parsley is laid out in the baking dish and the fish is laid on it. The remaining sauce is poured over the fish. Then sliced tomatoes are placed on the fish and baked in the oven for 25 minutes. It is taken out of the oven and olives are placed on the sides, and it is returned to the oven and cooked for another 10 minutes. It is served hot. Enjoy your meal. Yes, dear viewers of NTR TV, we were with you with 4 different recipes belonging to the North African region. Subscribe to the NTR TV YouTube channel, watch our African food programs, and make any dish you like there. Send us a photo or video of it and we will publish it. I wish you to be great with new flavors in the next program. Goodbye.